the recent movement is a little bit excessive, judging from what we could be justified by market fundamentals, mainly because it's not only the strength of US dollar, but the geopolitical tension in the Middle East also contributing, and also our neighbors, the weakness of yen and yuan also affecting us. But I think the recent movement is a little bit excessive, so we are ready to deploy stabilization measure if the volatility continues, and we have enough tools and resources to do so.
How do we think about policy divergence? Because the message from Jerome Powell is that inflation is not coming back towards the goals at this point, and it might take longer in terms of cutting rates. So where does it leave central banks like US? You consider your own policy action?
Actually this year we expect that there will be more divergence across major economies' monetary policy. And definitely there is a pushback of the expectation of the US interest rate cut this year. But I think the situation is different from 2 years ago, 1.5 years ago, where US started to increase the rate consecutively. So this time is a pushback of expectation of the cut, but that does not necessarily mean the change of the momentum is going on. So I think yes, there will be a delay, but I hope and I expect that the US will start to cut sometime later in this year. And so because of that expectation, impact won't be as big as 1.5 years ago.
Some Bank of Korea commentators believe that you might be on the bench this year when it comes to cutting rates, that we will see no moves. Is that possible?
No, actually, I think our policy board has not turned on our turning signal yet. I think our problem is that unlike US and Europe, our headline inflation is higher than core inflation. And core inflation is moderating as expected, but headline inflation is quite sticky at this moment. So more than anything else, what we are concerned is when and we can be confident that our core headline inflation will converge to the target rate. And then only after that we have a confidence, we'll start to turn probably turning signal, but not now.